In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this eye look using some different colors that I normally do, different shadow colors. Let's get into the video. As I shared in the beginning of the video, I wanted to share a different eye look with you. I wanted to do some different colors. So we're going to do these today. I don't normally do these colors. And by the way, I don't know if this is going to be around anymore. I'll kind of review it. I purchased this myself from a brand I usually don't purchase much from because I feel like it's just a different. It's very retro, if you will, the makeup. And I actually did. They sent me products several years ago, and I ended up didn't like some of the products that they gifted me, although I appreciate it. But the company is Besame. Besame? I think it's Besame. I think that's how you pronounce it, Besame. And so they came out with this palette, and I saw the colors, and I'm like, you know what? I don't have colors like that. I'm going to get that, and I really like it. So it's the Ella Fitzgerald collection. You can see how spotted mine is. So that's one of the things I don't like about this. I think they could have done a better job with packaging on this. I really do. This is something that, I'm trying to be really careful with. But, when I display it, I'm trying to be really careful so it doesn't get all scratched up. But I wish they would have done a better job with it. I think her photo could have been better on here too. Like the actual box, I don't have it in front of me, but I'm keeping it. The actual box is so much better than this, so I just don't like it. I think it could be better. And also, and I'm not going to return it. It comes with a mirror and everything, but mine's crooked. And as someone that's a Virgo, that's really annoying. It's like they put the whole thing in there crooked. Like I'm holding it straight, but you can clearly see that as crooked. It's kind of like, so, yeah, disappointing. But other than that, I have been really enjoying using this. So I'm going to do a look for you guys today. It just says the Ella Fitzgerald Quad, Besame Cosmetics, and it doesn't say the color or anything like that, but I just thought they were really, really pretty. I am going to go in and I'm actually going to use this lighter color right here, sort of on the outside, but then I'm going to go ahead and work on my crease. And you can see already the color payoff. The color payoff in this is really, really good. And one of the reasons that I got this too, besides I didn't have this colors like this, is I was watching this woman on TikTok. I think her name is Jerry May James. Is that what her name is? Jerry May James, something like that. She actually has it's funny, her name is my mom's name, my dad's name, and my grandmother's name. It's so funny. But anyways, she had a color on, and I don't know if this is what she was wearing, but she was wearing this lipstick combo, which I'm going to wear in this video because one of them is from Besame as well. It's not available anymore, but I'm going to put it on for you, okay? But she was wearing colors like this, and I was like, oh my God, it looks so pretty with her lipstick, and she looks so much like Marilyn Monroe. It's unbelievable. She looks so much. I've seen people that have done like, I think there's a woman, I think her name is Jasmine, and I think she's like Scottish or something like that. This woman looks exactly like Marilyn. I mean, exactly her mannerisms and everything. It's like weird. You know what I mean? Like, not weird like she's weird, just like, you know what I mean? When somebody looks and sounds just like somebody, it's like, oh my God, that's amazing. You know what I mean? And it's interesting because she says that she's not trying to be Marilyn, but like, sweetie, you look and dress and act like her. So I don't know who you fooling. You know what I'm saying? Come on. It's okay if you do, but it sounds like that's not what she's trying to do. It's just her retro vibe, and she just looks like that's the impression I get. But anyways, she's wearing colors like this, and I was like, oh, I love it. Look how pretty that is already. One color. Okay. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this color right here. I'm going to go on that outer corner. And most of it's going to be on the outer corner now. This eyeshadow is just, I mean, look at that. I hope it's still available when I do this video. I'll try to put it out earlier. I'll try to put it out sooner for you guys. So hopefully it's still available if you're interested in it. if you don't want to run out and get this palette, see if you have colors like this, okay? Maybe you can screenshot it or something. See if you have some colors that are similar, all right? The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to, let me get my smudgy brush. Actually, let me do the lighter. I want to do that light color first. I want to pop that right there. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. I told you guys. It's really pretty. I was very pleasantly surprised. I saw somebody that did, like before I decided to get it, I saw somebody that did it and I was like, I barely saw it on her. I don't know why. But it's like when I did it, I'm like, I see it on me. I don't know why I don't see it on her. But maybe she doesn't use an eyeshadow primer. I'm telling you, eyeshadow primer will also make your eyeshadow look a lot more vibrant, in my opinion. But look at how gorgeous that is. I'm going to take my BK Beauty Smoky Eye brush, and I'm going to take this metallic-y brown here, and I'm going to mix it with the other one. Just kind of do both. I'm going to go right underneath my eye. And I'm going to do a different eye. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't, actually. I'm going to go get my brown. I should have brought it in here. I'm going to go get it. Oh my gosh. I love it. Now I'm going to take my, what brush is this again? This is my Piccolo Beauty brush. And I'm just going to blend it. And then I need, did I bring it in here or did I not? No, I had to go get it. Of course, going to take my BK, I'm of course going to take my what? Barbarella Brown. And I'm going to put it in my tight line. Side. And I could use like a purpley color. This is more of like a, more of a warm plummy color, you know. Then I'm going to take this. This is from Hermes. And I'm going to put this, a little bit of this on the top here. I may need to sharpen this. This on right above my lash line. I was thinking about doing like a purpley color, but I'm not crazy about their liners. I already told you guys that. I don't think I would get them again. I need to, before I get my lips on, I need to do my brows, and I'm doing a little video on that. So I'll be right back. Besame lip liner. And this one is in the color, this is in the color Universal Red. My camera shut off, so I'm going to tell you what I put on my lips. I'm wearing, which this is discontinued, but maybe you can find something similar to it. It was from their Mary Poppins line. Actually got mine on eBay. So if I find one on eBay, I will stick it in the comments for you. It actually came with a nail polish too. The packaging is really nice on this, actually. So it's the Miss Banks lipstick, and that's what it looks like. So that's what I put on the inside, and then I lined with it. And this is a color combo that I saw somebody on TikTok wear, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. So it's really pretty. It's a different kind of red. This one's a little bit more muted. All right, so this is my final eye look. I love this eye palette. If it's still around, I will link it below. And if you don't want to get this, look for colors like this, or maybe you have colors like that already. Isn't it pretty? It's really a different look for me. I feel like it's more neutral still, but really pretty. And I actually paired it with a red lipstick, which normally wouldn't do, but because it is a warmer color, I felt like I could do it. Really like this. I just thought it would be fun to do kind of a different look for you guys. So I really, really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. And before you leave, please do me a huge favor. Please make sure you like, share, and comment my videos because it helps to push them out, and I would greatly appreciate it. And to those of you that are my OG subscribers, And every one of you that are new, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you taking the time out of your day to show your support. Watching my videos means so much to me, and I will catch you guys on my next video.